The first one, habeas corpus. The two court means the Supreme Court and the High Court can get the body of any person released if it has been unlawfully detained by a person or a group of persons or by the state. It safeguards the personal freedom of a citizen. So we say it is citizen friendly. It helps the citizen. So when a person is unlawfully detained by a group of persons or by a state or by anybody, so the Supreme Court can issue this habeas corpus in order to release that particular person. Mandamus. What is the meaning of the word mandamus? The mandamus means we order. It is a command from the superior court to the inferior court or ordering a person to perform a public duty. Writ of prohibition. It is an order by a superior court to the lower court to stop the proceeding in case which might be excess of the jurisdiction. So the superior court feels that the inferior court is exceeding in its jurisdiction, so it gives an order to the lower court. Writ of certiorari. This is a remedial order passed when the Supreme Court finds that the lower court has overstepped its jurisdiction. Quo warranto. This is issued to stop an unqualified person from holding a public office. It prevents the public officer from forcibly or wrongly holding a high public office. So this is the definition of each of the writ. Now how will be an application question based? Mr. Sundaralingam is holding a public office though he is not qualified. Can you name the writ? What is a writ? It is quo warranto. The next question. Mr. Iyer is unlawfully detained in a prison. Name the writ which will help Mr. Iyer. It is habeas corpus. You're not new to this word as habeas corpus. You have already learnt it in history, Mahatma Gandhiji and the national movement. Where do you come across this? Yes, you come across it in the WRIT Act. It is one of the implications which was passed by the British Justice Sidney Rowlatt in order to curb the upsurge of nationalism. So habeas corpus was suspended at that particular time in the year 1919. And what did they call that particular act as? The Indians called it as Black Bill.